Okay, so this year, I made a bunch of small changes to how I eat and how I feel day to day, and a few of them actually stuck. So I want to run through the 5 things that made the biggest difference for me. Some of these are going to sound obvious. One of them's going to sound a little weird. First one, waking up and drinking water before I even touch coffee. Sounds basic, I know. But something about doing it first, before anything else, it just changed my energy more than I expected. Like, noticeably more energy, just from that one swap. Second thing, after dinner, instead of just sitting straight down, I started getting up and going for a walk. Nothing crazy. Just outside, moving. 10, 15 minutes. That's genuinely it, but it helped with digestion. And honestly, it just helped me wind down for the night. Third one's a little different. I picked up this book. It's called The Encyclopedia of Power Foods. And it's built around this traditional Chinese medicine idea, where foods are grouped by color and energy. So green foods are tied to your liver. Red foods, your heart, your circulation. Yellow foods, your stomach, your digestion. White foods, your lungs. And darker foods, blue, black, they're tied to your kidneys. It's less of a diet and more just a different way of looking at what's on your plate. Oh, a quick heads up, that link's an affiliate link, so if you grab it, I get a small cut. Just wanted to be upfront about that. I'm not saying it's some miracle fix. I'm still just a normal person eating normal food, but understanding why I was reaching for certain things, that actually helped it stick. If that sounds interesting, I'll drop the link below. Fourth thing, I started actually reading labels, instead of just trusting whatever the front of the package says. Like actually flipping it around and checking. And it's wild how much sugar sneaks into stuff that looks healthy. Half the time I just put it right back. And fifth, probably the biggest one, I stopped trying to overhaul everything at once. I used to do the whole new year, new me thing and burn out in 2 weeks. So this time I just picked one thing, let it actually stick, then added the next one step at a time basically. So that's the 5 things. None of it's revolutionary, honestly. Just stuff that actually stuck for once. If you want to check out that book from earlier, links in the description. Let me know in the comments if you've tried anything similar. I'm always looking for more small stuff like this. See you in the next one.